Independence in Jamaica was a period of tremendous ambition and great hopes, great aspirations. So that is very visible in the arts of that period. You know, you have a sort of quantum leap in what was already a pre-existing modern art movement. But what you had around independence was the emergence of a younger group of artists who were very ambitious, who wanted to be recognized as artists first and as Jamaican artists second. So they were sort of challenging already at that time certain preconceived notions about Jamaican art and what Jamaican artists should concern themselves with. But when you look at the work in reality, you will see that their work exists in dialogue with what had been done before, what had been done as part of the nationalist movement in the first half of the century. But it just brings new ideas in terms of form, in terms of format, in terms of style. So you have sort of the intrusion of ideas, primarily high modernist ones, into what is essentially a nationalist vocabulary.